Morning, everyone, or afternoon, or evening. So for review lesson 7, we're going to focus on equations. We might do this more than once just because it's a really important topic for 8th grade. Starting with example 1, this is called a one-step equation, meaning you're performing one step to solve the answer. It's always the inverse operation. So it says x divided by 4 is equal to 3. So you're going to undo the operation, meaning opposite of division, which is multiplication. So multiply both sides by 4, and you get x is equal to 12. That's it. If you wanted to check, which you don't have to, you would just plug in 12 for x. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So 3 is equal to 3, so it checks. Example 2 is a two-step equation. Circle the variable, draw a line down from the equal sign, subtract 5 from both sides. Bring down everything here. 3x is equal to 13 minus 5 is 8. Divide both sides by whatever's in front of x. Divide by 3. X is equal to 2 and 2 thirds. Or, if you had it as a decimal, 2.6 repeating. Example 3, two-step equation, but you have to distribute first. So distribute the negative 2 to x, and the negative 2 to the negative 5. Becomes a positive 10. Be careful of that. If that sign in front of the second term is negative and this is negative, that becomes a positive. Equals 14. Circle a variable, draw the line down, subtract 10. Bring down this whole thing. Negative 2x is equal to 14 minus 10 is 4. Divide both sides by negative 2. And x is equal to negative 2. Last type of question is writing an equation. So it says Melanie saves $20 every month. This is happening every month in her savings account. She withdrew, means takes out, $60 one time to go shopping. She now has $280 in her account. Write and solve an equation and determine how many months she's been saving. So we know it's equal to 280 because that's how much she has. She saves $20 every month, and we're looking for how many months. So let's say m is equal to months. So it would be 20m. And then because of that withdrew 60, take out 60, you subtract 60. And then from there you solve. Plus 60. 20m is equal to 340. Divide by 20. M is equal to 17 months. Alright, this should be a nice short one for you guys. You have some review questions to do on your own. Good luck.